Working on the Denali. If we ever lost power for whatever reason, I always used to lose power when I play my music too loud, and this would be the issue. This 175 amp mega fuse. You take a 14 mil. Oh, wow. You know what I'm saying? You just take your negative off, positive off. Slide her off. Go to AutoZone, get you another one. That's $5. And go ahead and do the comparison. Slide the new one on. Let's see. Yeah, when I play my music too loud, you know what I'm saying, that this connects to the alternator, you know what I'm saying? That way, you're putting too much stress on it, then, you know, you definitely gonna make it mad and you put too much power on it. That's why you get extras. You see that spark? Let's see, before I even button anything back up, let's see if I got power again. Oh yeah. So yeah, if you ever run, lose power, whatever, 9 times out of 10, it's gonna be that amp mega fuse. That fuse is very important. It plays a lot, especially when you turn the AC on and everything. That alternator is trying its best to do its thing. So if you ever run into my other issue too, I was running a super serious system in here, and then when I played it really loud, you know, showing off to the friends or a show or whatever, that was my go-to, and it always seemed to be the culprit. So if you ever lose power or accidentally touch the, I don't know, you make put the negative on the battery, the negative on the positive, and the positive on the negative, whatever, always go to this. So that mega fuse, 14 mil. Comment if you have any questions. Don't start throwing money. Just remember, fuses go out too. So hold up. Make sure focus, baby, focus. So yeah, $5 at AutoZone. Comment if you have any questions.